Today I'm going to show you how to create a works cited page citation for using everycountry.com. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up an internet tab. And we're going to go to a citation website, and it's called citationmachine.net. citationmachine.net. And this is a really great resource that you can use to create citations so that you don't need to do them on your own. And so what we're going to do is once you get onto the main page here, you're going to choose MLA. MLA is the type of citations that we use when we do work in English. So I'm going to click on MLA. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose website because I'm going to be citing from a website, which is everycountry.com. Now what we need to do is we need to get the exact website. So you're going to need to open up a new tab, and you're going to need to go to everyculture.com, and then you're going to need to find your site that you used. So I was doing mine on Nepal, so I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to open up Culture of Nepal. So now I've got my specific page that I use because we want to make sure that we cite the specific site that we got our information from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this information, and I'm going to either hold my finger down on it if I'm on my iPad, or I'm going to click on it twice if I'm on a Chromebook, and then I'm going to copy it by taking two fingers, touching them down on my trackpad and saying copy, or holding my finger down on my iPad and saying copy. Now that I've got my page copied, I'm going to go back to Citation Machine. I'm going to make sure that it says website, and I'm going to click right here. I'm going to put two fingers down again on my trackpad or hold down on my iPad, and I'm going to say paste. So now I've pasted my website. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to search websites. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull up the website. This is the one I used, so I'm going to click select. And then what it's going to tell me is it's going to tell me all the information that it found. Okay. It will also tell me what it didn't find. So for example, it didn't give a publisher or a sponsor or a date published. And for me, if I go back and look at the site, I see that that information isn't given. So if there's something that's missing, you might want to quick scroll through the page to see if it's there. And if it's not there, then you're just going to leave it blank. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit final step. And then what it's doing is it's creating the citation for me right now. So it's filled in the information. So what I want to do is just scroll through really quick and make sure that the information is correct. So is my article title Nepal? Yes. There was no author given, so I'm going to leave that blank. It's got my website title, which is Culture of Nepal. My URL, which is what I copied and pasted. I'm going to leave the publisher and sponsor blank because I don't have one. I don't have the date that it was published. If there was a day it was published, I would type that in. And then for date accessed, you can just use today's date. Once I check to make sure all that information is correct, I'm going to hit Create Citation. And now it's created this citation for me. And so all I need to do now is simply select this, copy it, and now I can paste it onto my Works Cited page, which is going to come at the end of my document.